Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather all ingredients for one mango roll now. Use 3 large eggs, 50 g sugar, 60 g all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Separate eggs carefully and set whites aside in a clean bowl. Prepare 400 g ripe mango flesh and add 2 tablespoons lemon juice for bright flavor. Soak 1 tablespoon gelatin in 2 tablespoons cold water until softened. Measure 200 ml heavy cream and chill the mixing bowl. Preheat oven to 200 C and line a 30 by 40 cm sheet pan with parchment. Start whipping egg yolks with 25 g sugar until pale and slightly thickened. Whisk egg whites with the remaining 25 g sugar to stiff peaks, about 4 minutes. Gently fold yolks into whites using a spatula and slow motions. Sift 60 g flour over the mixture and fold carefully to avoid deflating the batter. Pour batter into the prepared 30 by 40 cm pan and smooth the surface evenly. Bake at 200 C for about 8 to 10 minutes until light golden. Invert onto a sugar-dusted towel and roll. Unroll the cooled sponge carefully and remove the towel from the roll. Whip 200 ml chilled heavy cream to medium peaks and spread it evenly on the sponge. Puree the 400 g mango flesh and strain for smoothness, then warm with the softened gelatin briefly to dissolve. Fold 300 g of the mango puree into the cream or spread it alone for stronger mango flavor. Re-roll the sponge tightly but gently to maintain shape and avoid cracking. Wrap the roll in plastic and chill in refrigerator for at least 3 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.